Kapor Kapatisi TV.
Hakapor bagi pulit kidang kenra surok ba banbat iki kali ba penken iki kendon an bat kumjuru banbat iki nongnya kali kibanya kali harengkat ke jumbuan jaringkat bakwan yat ka kali basyong unong yalam kaliang persya hin dal bawtawan ke jela doktor Mukul sangma habio i ke jingkenra ki pulit Dr. Mukul ula sange ka kali jongu banyegran baru senior superintendent of police badan lang bat ki wepat ke officer pulit Dr. Mukul lawyer ro ke jingle pulit namar baga Jingjia Aksiden hari Bhoi ke dik bajia kaka ula keliru ke Jingjia ka belajar ka sni Balei hak ba arngut kinongnya kali sarkar ki banari lum garo kilayap hak Jingjia Aksiden hak Shillong saw nong karai hak ba ulong bala pentip Shaduh baya upamen saw la haban Pynkit Shaduh Shillong Dr. Mukul ulong bu unsawan hak no kapor shari Bhoi banya selok halo ka jingkinrei ki Jingjia Aksiden
Committee,
yes, sir.
This is the chairman.
Yes, sir. Yes.
You are SP?
Yes, sir.
So you are secretary
Sir, yes.
of the committee?
Member, sir.
Member.
Sir.
Look at the notification of the Honorable Supreme Court.
Sir, sir.
Go by that committee.
Yes, sir.
I will come and have a program.
Sir, sure, sir.
Let us have a review
Sir, sir, sir. Sure,
on road safety because therefore yesterday there was an incident also earlier.
Sir.
What I am told is that the injured are shifted to Shillong Civil Hospital.
Not this
Trauma-
one, the third
trauma.
rank one, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, trauma center.
Yes, sir.
Ideally, trauma center, which is nearest,
Sir.
must be the destination
Sir, sir.
to save life.
Yes, sir.
So this is a matter of concern, and I'm happy that you are doing the checking.
Sir, sir. Yes, sir.
And then I think daytime that overloading truck,
Sir. Yes, sir.
highly overloaded.
Sir.
Those which is probably transporting your aggregates.
Yes, sir.
Those are
Clinkers and all.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Anyway, all the best.
That day, sir, we sent to Shillong, sir, because from Thadrang, Shillong was the nearest hospital, sir. So we sent one to Nazareth, one to Supercare, one to Civil. Because coming to Nongpo, sir, Shillong is like nearer to us, sir. From that
From
side,
there,
sir,
from
it
there.
was from Vairimong side, sir.
That
one side.
incident of Sunday,
Yes, sir, that 4 persons died, sir. Yes, sir.
the Garo itself.
That one was here, sir, Quinine.
So this
2
near-
drivers died, sir, and
This
one
is-
injured was brought here, sir, civil hospital, sir.
No, I
Nilkash,
talked to some of your media friends.
sir,
This version I got from them.
sir.
That some of the injured were shifted to Shillong.
That was the previous day, sir. This to sir, Nilkash Moment, he's from Kharpeta, sir. He was brought to civil hospital, sir. We were there.
Let us collectively do something.
Yes, yes,
We'll have to
sir.
see
We'll
how-
do our
Pin real spark ya các tiên là dòng pin đâm cam ya cả ba căn kiêu các tiên khasi các tiên là dòng ai cần rồi cần pa Balei phi on gate habangi don la dòng ka kan tiên khasi kardop lani phalor Beli lani khang ya ka tu ka phalor ni ju ya ong Saka weipan kakten khasi kam ju ong ban ya kiw yau up hinrangi kiw yau thep to da yakan mau kan det ho lapan mi da kapate CTV na ka benta ka jingman toy upat ba